Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be talking about apps you need to start your YouTube channel. Before we go into the video, click that subscribe button in order for you to get a chance to be part of our weekly shoutouts and for YouTube to notify you the moment we post a video. Like this video, I would really appreciate it, and watch this video to the end. At the end of this video, you're going to learn things you need to do in case you think of starting a YouTube channel. The thumbnail, we're going to talk about content, and we're going to talk about the analytics. So let's do this. First, we'll talk about the thumbnail. The thumbnail is that picture you see when you're browsing or you search your content on YouTube. The thumbnail enables you to be attracted to that video or impresses you enough to click that video, maybe through the picture or through the words or through the color, but something attracted you to click the video. That is what they call the thumbnail. The thumbnail is so important for any YouTube video. If you have a great content and you don't have the right thumbnail, no one will click your video, okay? So that is why we need to put emphasis on the thumbnail. If you say that your video is not doing well, you may have to change the thumbnail in order for you to have a better click-through rate, okay? Now, to do that, you need certain apps. These apps are completely free. As a beginner, it is important for us to start with the free items in order for us not to be incurring debts or spending unnecessarily, especially when we know that these apps can be gotten on our Play Store or Google app. The first app I'm going to talk about is the Canva app. The fantastic thing about the Canva app is that it actually gives you detailed information about whatever you need. You will just go straight to the search bar and type thumbnail. It brings out thousands of thumbnails. I mean, endless thumbnails that you can pick from. Some are free, some are not, but the free is absolutely enough for you, okay? The big YouTubers may definitely use the ones that are not free, but for you and I that are either just starting up or are small YouTubers or are still trying to find our feet, the free thumbnails are just perfect, okay? Now, there are chances for you to edit on the Canva app. You have elements, colors, positions, you have transparency, so many chances to edit, and you can actually go into your gallery, bring your picture straight to the Canva app to edit your picture, and you're going to have a fantastic thumbnail right there. To do the extra, you can actually edit your picture first on apps like PixArt or Fonto before you bring it to your Canva app. Or after editing on Canva, you can take your picture straight to Fonto to re-edit. You know, do the extra. You know, people may tell you that you don't need the extra. Guys, the extra is important. The big YouTubers do the extra. They actually have various apps that they use to do extras, okay? Now, for your thumbnail to be good and you get that click-through, you need to have an amazing content. Content is what I'm doing right now. So your content is the value you have to give to people. I mean, that message that you have to give to people, like I am doing right now, okay? This is content, right? Okay, now you have an amazing content already, but how do we know this? Sometimes it's maybe our way of speaking. We may not know how to jazz up our speaking or give the extras. Not everybody knows how to do that. So you don't want your video to be boring. You want to put some effects in order for it to seem like, man, this is the video I should stick with. You want to engage your audience to the end of the video, and that is why you need to work on your content. After filming your video, if you are just trying to start out, I have a video here that will help you do that on equipment that you need to start on a budget, or you have a friend that needs to start a YouTube channel. It's not too late in 2021, guys. Hop in, man. Let us rock the YouTube streets, okay? Okay, now that being said, all you need to do is to download certain apps from the Play Store or the Google Store. On these apps, you can edit your video in order for it not to seem boring. Imagine me saying, hello guys, I want to share an app with you that will help you to start your YouTube channel. Guys, no! Instead, I jazz it up and I do some editing, I do some transitions, I do swiping, I add music, you know, effects that will help you enjoy the video, that will help you stay with me till the end of this video, you know, like I'm doing right now. If you're enjoying this video, guys, click that like button right now and make sure to subscribe. And I have tutorials on gaining confidence in front of the camera if that is your issue. Everything tutorial on YouTube is packed right there in the description below. As I was saying, There are apps that you can use to do this. We have Filmora, we have iMovie. iMovie is so popular, it's very easy to use, very easy to play around with. We have Perfect Video. If you've not heard of that, that is amazing as well. Perfect Video has a one-time purchase of 1,800 naira as at the last time I saw it. I don't know if it has increased, but you can do Perfect Video. It's great as well. You can do, there's so many other apps that you can use, okay? But start with apps that are free, that has, you know, editing effects that you enjoy, okay? Now, that being said, if you are able to get out that great content and you are able to engage your audience, what else do you need? You need to know if your channel is growing, right? Now, stick with me to know what it looks like if your channel is growing. You will go into your analytics. Still talking about apps you need for your YouTube channel. We are into analytics right now, okay? The analytics is what makes you know if you're doing the right thing, if you're making the right moves. As in, the analytics tells you about your likes, dislikes, your comments, subscriptions, tells you about the click-through rate, if you're doing something right or you're doing something wrong. So all you need to do is go into your Play Store or your Google app to download this app called YouTube Studio. This app is your best buddy. It's as important as your YouTube app. Having your YouTube Studio app is a must for you. Like, it's your go buddy. It goes hand in hand with your YouTube app. This app helps you see your growth, whether it's steady, whether it's going down, whether it's increasing, whether it's static, whatever point that you find yourself. And you can also post your videos through the YouTube Studio app. How amazing is that? So guys, I'd like to know in the comment below if you've been able to find other apps that you've used or heard of that I don't know about and how good they've been. Share with me. I'd like to share and I'd like to share mine with you. I'll definitely reply you. Comment in the section below and like this video. Definitely subscribe to get a chance for a weekly shout out. Business ideas and side hustles are waiting for you in the description below. The links are all there. And if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, because I believe that is why you're here, I have tips on how to be confident in front of the camera and good budget cheap equipment that you can start off with. We have episodes on business ideas, side hustles, other tutorials. If there are other tutorials you would like me to make on this channel, can you drop it? I will definitely get right into it.